Brayden just got from McDonald's. We got food, and right now we're at the Dollar Tree because I told him he could pick out a toy. So that's what we're gonna do, right, Brayden? You pull it. There you go. Okay, so Brayden just got his toys, and right now he's hanging onto my shirt because I'm just considering vlogging in this car next to us. So we're vlogging. So we just came out of the Dollar Tree. He's still hanging onto my shirt, and we're walking back to my car to go home and eat. Let's go. Well, me and Brayden got car trouble. So I finally got home after my car broke down. Bought my mom food. Finally. So yeah. So that's it for today's vlog. Kind of like a short vlog. Me and Brayden just kind of went out, got food, and then my car broke down. So yeah, I have a little bit of footage with my brother having me take out the battery and all that. So yeah, that's that. It was Buddy, and yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, bye.